LoLoLearning. Unique learning for unique kids. Hi friends! Welcome back to another round of sweet cooking adventures with me, Chef Lili. Today, we're making something super delicious, super easy, and super squishy. It's fudge in a bag! That's right, we're whipping up a sweet treat with just 4 ingredients and no mess. Well, okay, maybe a little mess, but it'll be totally worth it. All right, Bubbles, you're in for a treat too. The show, not the fudge. Goldfish can't eat fudge. Sorry, buddy. Okay, before we dive in, remember, kitchen safety first. Let's do a quick review of our Pro Kid tips. Let's see, where did I save that? Juggling? No, that's not it. Walking on stilts. That sounds fun, but it's definitely not the one I am looking for. Ah, there it is. Important Pro Kid tip. Before we start cooking, we always wash our hands. This is the most important step in cooking. When we wash our hands, it gets rid of all the yucky germs. Because germs make us sick. And when we're sick, we can't play and we can't cook. And that's no fun. So wash your hands till they are nice and sparkly clean. And here's the other Pro Kid tip. Find an adult helper. Whenever you're cooking, make sure to get an adult helper to give you a hand. This is not only a great way to be safe in the kitchen, but it is also a great way to teach adults how to make all the yummy things you really love to eat. So, go grab your adult helper by the hand and offer them a tasty little bite for their help in the kitchen. And one last little tip. If your fudge goes flying, try not to slip on it. Trust me on that last one. Let's meet our fab 4 ingredients. First, we've got powdered sugar, our sweet superstar. Next up, unsweetened cocoa powder for that rich chocolatey flavor. And then we've got cream cheese. Sounds funny, but it's the secret to super creamy fudge. And finally, a splash of vanilla extract to make it all sing. And that's all we need to create our yummy, scrumptious, chocolatey fudge treat. I don't know about you, but I can't wait. So now, it's time to bring in our trusty cookbook and write everything down. Do you remember all of the ingredients we need? Great! I had a feeling you were super smart. The first ingredient we needed was... Let me see. It was white, powdery, and super sweet. That's right! Powdered sugar. So, what was that second ingredient? I'm really having a hard time remembering today. Do you remember? Well, it was brown and... What did you say? Of course! It was cocoa powder. Thanks! I'm really glad you're here. The next ingredient was creamy and had a strange name. Wow, you're right! Cream cheese. You're fantastic. Okay, last ingredient. Come on now, let's remember together. This is the ingredient that makes everything sing. Right again, it's vanilla extract. Super great job. There are only 2 other things you need. One is a plastic zip-top bag. The only other thing you need is a pan. That's it. Now that we have all our ingredients together, we can start making our yummy fudge. First things first, open up your sturdy zip-top bag and get ready to dump in your ingredients. No, I don't think we're going to use an actual dump truck for this. Let's use some measuring cups instead. You can ask your adult helper. They'll know where some are. Step 1. Put 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder into your bag. Be careful when you pour, though, or you'll end up looking like a sugar-covered snowman. Trust me, it's not as fun as it sounds. Next, add 1/4 cup of cream cheese. Fantastic! Good job! And now it's time for 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, the stuff that really makes this recipe sing. Now seal that bag really tight. No one wants a chocolate explosion unless it's in your mouth. Here's a pro kid tip for you. If the cream cheese is not soft enough, put it in the microwave for a few seconds to soften it up. Or you can remember to let it sit on the counter for a few minutes before you start. Room temperature cream cheese is the key to success. Now, it's time to shake and squish that bag of yummy goodness into a ball of delicious chocolatey fudge. And while we're squishing and shaking our bag, let's do a little kitchen dance and shake our bod. While we're squishing and dancing and squishing, did you know that fudge has been around since the late 1800s? Legend has it that it was created by accident when someone fudged a batch of caramels. That happy mistake became the creamy, dreamy treat we love today. And today, we're making it even easier. Yay for happy accidents. Okay, once your fudge is all mixed up, it's time to shape it. I leave mine in the bag and just press it into a small square pan so it's shaped like a square. That way, there is no mess and no fuss. But you can also press it into a small pan lined with parchment paper without the bag, or if you're feeling fancy, roll it into little balls. I call these fudge nuggets of joy. When you're done shaping your fudge however you want, just stick them in the fridge for about 30 minutes to firm up. I've said it before, but waiting is the hardest part of cooking. Fun kid fact, did you know that there are a lot of different kinds of fudge? There is the classic chocolate that we just made. Can't go wrong with a classic. But you can also add lots of things to change the flavor. Like peanut butter, peppermint, brown sugar, or even fruit. You could even invent your own flavor. Wouldn't that be neat? Our fudge is ready! Yum! It's smooth, it's chocolatey, and it's calling your name. But remember, always ask an adult before you start munching, just in case it's almost dinner time. This is so good! Bubbles, what do you think? See? Even Bubbles approves. In spirit. Remember, friends, cooking is all about having fun and sharing the joy. Make sure to clean up your kitchen and don't forget to share your fudgy creations with me in the comments. Thanks for joining me on this sweet adventure. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tasty fun. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling, and keep squishing. Bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. And always remember, you are loved, you are unique, you are you.